Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
Do you want to restock a returned item? So whenever whenever a customer ships out the material which is defaulted, which is defective, in that case, do you want to restock this returned items or not? That is what is your option. Default vendor return status. So this is pending fulfillment and pending approval. Fulfillment is nothing but your return. It is called a pending return. So we can stop here for the day. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.